Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Dr. M.H. Annaya, and in this video we are going to make an isometric drawing of a simple component whose orthographic views, namely front view and top view, are given to us. So friends, here as you all know that we have to first of all see what is or what are the overall dimensions of the part given. It has got a length of 65, width is equal to 50. So 65 I have marked here and 50 the width along this axis. And along the z direction we have a height of 50, that 50 I have shown here. And I have constructed a box of length 65, width 50 and height is equal to 50 millimeter. Now friends, if you observe, there are two projections from this flat surface, and this flat surface friend has got a height of 10, width is equal to 50. And at the top end, there is a projection from this platform, and here it is having width is equal to 20. And friends, that appears in the extreme right corner, that is, it has to appear here. So I can construct a box like thing 20 width from the last line. From the last line I can take a width of 20 millimeter. So I will say this is 20 millimeter width I have taken from the last line. This is 20 millimeter width and it has got a length of 50. That means through this length you have that. So I can just complete this part by drawing these lines, friends. This is the extreme line, then this line is parallel to that, and this has got a width is equal to 20. Depth is again 20 because this is 20 plus 30. So friend, there what we can do, we can write a vertical line through that of length is equal to same 20, and the vertical line from here of the same height or depth, that is 20 parallel to this. And friends, we can just write this line from where to here. From the corner it should come half that depth. So friends, I will just mark a line from this parallel to this edge, and here friends, this is right to left way come, and this has to be there throughout. So I am going to extend this line till the bottom face, not this one, up to here only. Up to here you should pass, up to here will be there, and this line should come till down. So exactly in the center of that it should come here. And friends, if you just observe here, this particular part, it has got this width of 20 and this depth is equal to 50. This is 20 and this is 50. Friends, we have got this, and this has to be darkened. We have completed that part, friend. Friend, we have reached this corner. From there I should draw a line horizontal through 20 Suppose this is say 20 A horizontal line through that is 20 A vertical line through that again of height is equal to how much? 15. So something like this. So this line is this horizontal I have written here, and then this height of 15 from there, and then friends, horizontal vertical 15, horizontal 15 again, horizontal 15 parallel to this edge. So I will write like this, and then friends, it will come down till where? Till here, and this horizontal line can be shown here. Friends, I have written the front view of this. It should have the same shape as the front, and the bottom surface is to be darkened. So I am going to darken this bottom surface like this. And here friends, let me remove these construction lines which are not important to us, excepting the edges that are required. So this is how, friends, this platform will look. And friends, if you look from this side, you have got this depth 15 mm. So 15 mm from there, I can just complete this rectangular portion. This is how it looks, friend. Now, friend, if you observe here, this edge through this, they're all vertical. So, friends, what I can do from all these points, say, let me draw this first. I can draw a line through these two corners parallel to the extreme end. Extreme end means what is here. So, friends, I will draw a line parallel to that, and having width is equal to same width. And again through this another line parallel to that. This width is equal to 15. Friends, I can just join them there. That will go up to here. Or maybe outside. Whatever the length you have got here, same as that. So it will be obviously get spread over there. And friends, this height is equal to 15. So from there, friends, you can write a line of this length, and you can draw a line through this parallel to this. And similarly here, friends, you can see we can draw a line parallel through this. So we have got this portion, that is this top portion is this rectangle, and here this is to be removed, and you got the platform there at the top. And friends, after this, just remove this line because they don't exist there. So let me remove some of these lines so that we will be able to have a better picture of the isometric drawing. So you can remove, and friends, here also I am going to remove these lines. So these lines are to be removed, and here, friends, this is going to be a line till the last. So I have to extend it further, not till there. In this view it is satisfying, but here, friends, you should go till that end. From there you should take the height. Yes, like this, if you take height, whatever the length you have got here, this length should be equal to that, and it should be parallel. So friends, now I am going to write a vertical line through this. A height is equal to this much, and then join this to this. Now it is perfectly correct. And a line parallel to this, which I have written here. Friends, here you can see this is the width exactly through this I should go. 15 from here, then this will come and join. Then a line parallel to that or to this, another line through this. Now friends, it is perfectly correct, and we can join that. And this gap, whatever you see here, is that gap of 10 millimeter, and this height is equal to 15. This width is equal to 15. And friends, finally, to complete the drawing, we need to draw a line parallel to this through this. So from there, let me write a vertical line that is parallel to this, and another line through this corner parallel to this edge. Parallel to this edge, I am going to write a line through this. So friends, very obviously you can observe that whatever the drawing we have made here is satisfying all the requirements of the views, that is the front view and top view. And friends, now after completing the full drawing, so this is how the drawing looks. This is the isometric drawing of the solid whose orthographic views, namely the front view and top view, are given to us. Friends, let us have a final check. So friends, if you look in the end view, you have a projection here and another projection here from the top surface. This is a single block, and here you have written a horizontal line through this. That is, this is not visible in the end view. Front view, friend, you can see width of 20 at the top, then this height is equal to 20 because this is 30. So if you want, you can mark that, or not necessary to. And this is to be joined here. Friends, in the front view, you have this shape. There is a rectangle projection there of width 15, depth is equal to 15, 15 by 15. Then there is a gap of how much? This gap is equal to 10, and this height is equal to 10. Height is 10 and this is also 10. And friends, this drawing will represent the isometric drawing of a component whose front view and top view are as shown in figure. Friends, I hope the presentation was interesting. Please go through the complete video, and if you like this video, do share this with all your friends without fail. I thank you very much for watching my YouTube video. Have a blessed day.